Today we're diving into the fascinating world of digital images. Ever wondered how your favorite photos and videos pop up on your phone or computer in such vivid detail? Well, it's all thanks to pixels and some clever encoding. Let's break it down. First off, what exactly is a pixel? Imagine a tiny square on your screen. This square is one of millions that make up the entire image you see. Each pixel represents a specific color at a specific place in that image. Essentially, pixels are the building blocks of any digital image. Now let's talk about black and white images. These are simpler because each pixel only needs to represent shades of gray. In technical terms, this is done using a method called grayscale encoding. Each pixel in a black and white image is assigned a value from 0 to 255, where 0 is pure black, 255 is pure white, and everything in between represents a shade of gray. Simple, right? But how do we encode color images, which are obviously more complex? This is where things get really interesting. Color images use something called RGB encoding. RGB stands for red, green, and blue, the three primary colors of light. Please note that this is different from the primary colors in art. Each pixel in a color image has three values associated with it, one for each color. These values range again from 0 to 255. By mixing these colors in different proportions, we can create every other color imaginable. Well, at least up until the 16,777,216 possible combinations encoded by this system. For example, if a pixel is set to 255 red, 0 green, and 0 blue, it appears purely red. But if it's set to 0 red, 255 green, and 0 blue, it's purely green, and so on. Combine 255 red, 255 green, and 255 blue, and voila, you get white. It's like mixing paints, but with light. So next time you look at a digital image, remember you're actually looking at a mosaic of tiny colored squares, each meticulously coded to display just the right color. It's pretty magical when you think about it, isn't it? That's it for today. I hope this peek behind the digital curtain helps you appreciate the complexity and beauty of the everyday images we often take for granted. Catch you in the next video.